Good morning, it is Clay at claytrader.com. It's still about 40-ish minutes before the market opens, but watching MOMO right now, looking like a potential pre-market trade could occur. So I'm going to throw 500 shares up there at 37.85. Still a bit of ways to go, but yeah, you never know. And from the feedback that you viewers give me, which I always appreciate, sounds like a lot of you do enjoy seeing, the pre-market trading and such. So we'll see if we can capture that or not. So I'll keep an eye on it. No promises that I actually get the entry point. Right now I'm doing customer service, emails, just hanging out in the chat room, and a lot of different things. So I'm not going to watch this like a hawk, but I will try to keep it in mind that I have this out there to try to capture the entry point on video. But at least now you know that I do have an order sitting out there. So we'll see if it can get filled or not. All right, I moved that order up to 37.95. So looking like there's some potential here. I'm going to throw another shorting out there at 38.25. So we're getting close to 95, but not quite there. I'll watch it and get it rolling again if it looks like I might get filled. All right, I changed that order to 38.15 just because there's some other things going on the chart. Keep in mind what you see on the screen is just a small portion of what I'm looking at. I have multiple monitors. And that was a quick jump too. So actually, I'm not going to lie, that has me a little nervous. So I'm going to go up to 38.25 here with the way, how quick that actually jumped up through 38. Not totally shocking. I mean, this is pre-market trading, but I do feel good about initiating a position at 38.15. So we'll see if the price can get up there or not. I'm going to keep it rolling. Well, now it's back to. All right, well, I'll pause. All right, order at 38.25 now. It's getting close. Okay, it's looking like I'm on the best offer. Nice, so I am in there. We'll look to get some more up there at 65. And then also 75. But if it wants to give me a 10-cent move, then I'll take the $50. But we'll see if it can break up through what direction it wants to go. So I will pause and keep you updated. All right, it's pulling back some here. 38.33, there's definitely some buyers hanging out there. But if the price can break down through there, then I like the odds that it could go down to 38.25. So some good real-life L2, level 2 action here. I mean, look at all those bids hitting there. So there it was. Like I said, figured if that was broken, I had a good chance, and I indeed did get out. So I will look to start the process over again with the next entry up at 38.75. And market still doesn't open up for 29 minutes. So this is always nice. I'm doing customer service, email. I had to be a little bit more focused at this point because obviously I was trying to time up and get the entry point, filmed. But, you gotta, I like pre-market trading when I can. A very effective way to kind of get paid to do customer service and stuff like that. So yeah, $50, and maybe I'll get some more pre-market trading. Again, my next, entry within, trying to build into a bigger position is at 38.75. So we'll see if it can get up there or not. All right, the market opens up here any second. Nothing ever more happened on MOMO, but I am going to watch it out of the gates. So the market is now officially open. So I will keep you updated. And I was thinking short here, but I mean, if this thing pulls back, I'd also be interested in potentially going long on it. But well, right now it's just kind of hovering in this range. So we'll see what else is out there. All right, having an order, multiple orders out there actually, but right now it's looking like MU may have potential of getting me filled up here at 54.25. So we'll see if the price can work its way up there or not. All right, I moved that order up to 54.35. Looking like it's got a chance here. All right, I don't like how it stumbled around. I would like it at 54.45 though. So double checking, there we go. So let's see if we can get that at 45. All right, once again, let's go 54.55. How high did it actually go? 42. So that makes me feel better. Let's see, SQ is moving, but I'm going to keep my eyes on this one for now. It's looking like it's got a chance. That key break is obviously going to be 54.50, and it's looking like the bulls are going to give it a go right now. And couldn't quite do it. So let's do this. Oh, I got filled on MOMO. All right, what's going on with MOMO? My entry point was 35 or 36.75 from the long side. So let's see if I can get the 10 cents or, all right, 420 of 500 shares. Don't play this with me, please. Oh, brother, here we go. Okay, so I have 80 shares. All right, well, this is ridiculous. So put those out there at 79. All right, this one's getting super annoying right now. All right, so I guess I technically took a little miniature loss on those ones, but anyways, I would like to start the process again at 36.27, so double checking. Okay, let's see if the price can get down there, but you can go back and watch, but the way my broker works is that MOMO was white, and then when I got filled, it changed to green, and then down here started to fluctuate again. So that's how I knew that I actually got filled, was because of that. But I don't even remember what were we looking at before I got filled. Oh, good. That's not good. Memory clay. Oh, yeah, MU. Well, we'll keep this one on right now because it's looking like we could get the breakdown that I'm looking for. So 36.27. Making an alert in the chat room there. Well, now it's bouncing back up. So let's go check out MU now. Did it ever get up to 65? Oh. Hit 654.68 and then pulled back, but I'm still interested in playing ball with this one some more. So let's go 95. So double checking 54.95. If you're new to the live trade videos, why do I always say double checking now? Well, I have a tendency with these live trades to press wrong buttons and get in at wrong times. And, you know, when you're trying to trade, think, and then also talk and not sound like a total moron. Yeah, there's a lot of things going on. So that's what double checking means. It's just me remind myself to make sure the order is actually what I want the order to be. So it's trying. Still got a ways to go, but MU can be, why am I calling this MU? MU can be very jumpy. Let's check out, well, let's keep this one going for now. It looks like it's got some potential here. Gonna make this alert in the chat room. There we go. And then that's the nice thing. And like I said, I totally lost track of MO, but I had an entry point that I liked. It made sense according to the chart and everything. And even though I wasn't even watching it when I came back to it, you know, as you saw, everything still turned out perfectly fine. Well, not perfectly fine because we had that snafu there. So let's go short, double checking, 65. Got to get this alert in the chat room. Okay, so that's alerted. So a lot of different things out there moving right now. We'll see if it can get up there or not and fill me. All right, I'm filled on MU. So as a reminder, let's see, what was I at? 54.95. So let's go 54.85. So I'm out there. Whoops. Let's start the process again at 55.15. Double checking. Yep, that's what I want. So once again, was not even paying attention. So kind of right on cue. When you get entry points that make sense according to the chart and the strategy in your system, then yeah, you don't need to be watching everything like a hawk. You can just focus on other things. And if you notice you get filled, then you go and you do what needs to be done. Except that's not the MU chart over here. That was... All right, so MU, yeah, I do like 55.15 if it can actually get back up there. Let's go check out SQ though. Looks like that one pulled back a little bit here. No, not totally. I'm going to change that to 50.75. ATH keeps popping across. I feel like this has been a missed opportunity. I don't know why I haven't. I don't know if I'm a fan. I'll still get it alerted though. And I don't think I think we've just gone straight for a good 5-6 minutes of the recording. So we're already at 12 minutes, and I've really only captured I guess 3 trades, so it's not terrible. And let's see, we're just under 15 minutes in, so about 13 minutes in the day, up 141. So yeah, I'll take 141 for a little bit of work. All right, MOMO. Potentially coming back in a play again. Let's check out things. Yes, 35.90 would be interested if it wants to pull down there. So let's double check. So once again, 3 fishing orders in the water. Let's check out ANF. You know, it's not like Abercrombie & Fitch hasn't been around a long time. They must have done a reverse split or something. God, when did the share price get up that high? Or maybe they just beast moded it out. I don't know. I guess I've kind of lost track of the story there. But here's SQ, not S, SQ. All right, this one's really going, making quite a move there. So let's go 50.95. Just because I know this one's personality and it can be very, very jumpy. So I want to play this one a bit more cautious. What's the status with, all right, well, this one's not even necessarily close to getting filled right now. So we'll just focus on SQ for the time being. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause because we're at 14 minutes. So I'll keep you updated. SQ potentially got a chance to fill me. Well, it did for a little bit. It was up in the mid 80s, but now it's pulled back a little bit. So I'll keep an eye on it. All right, looking for a fill here at 51.15. Oh, come on. Well, it hit 51.15. It just didn't fill me. So I'm going to move that up to 51.25 now at this point. You can see right there. 51.15 was the high. So I helped form the high, just in the sense of I didn't actually get any fills though, but I was right up there at the high. So thank you chart, but market just didn't quite fill me. All right, have an offer here at 35.55 on MOMO. It's been a while since that last update, so I've adjusted my order accordingly. Very quick mover, very odd mover. It can move quick and then all of a sudden kind of slow down. So I may miss the entry point, but I'll do my best. All right, have an order at 58.37 here on AMAT. Pretty crazy move as you see. Gonna get this alerted. So we'll see if it can get down there to 58.37 or not. I will keep you updated. All right, looking for an entry here at, okay, got it. 37. So that'll be my first entry point here. Would like to build more. So let's see what happens with it. Trying to, and there it is for another $60. So let's see if I can try to get another trade out of this one. Holy smokes, how can the market isn't even open 30 minutes yet, and this is already at 16 minutes, but all right, that's all right. So yeah, right now I'm up $201. So $200 for 30 minutes. I'm happy with that. And I think this has been, through 4 separate trades. So, I mean, is $200 like a mind-blowing amount? But no, I mean, you can't always have the big trades. Sometimes you just got to take what the market gives you. And if that means, a bunch of $50 wins or what have you, then, it is what it is. But I guess kind of the moral of the story so far is take what the market gives. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up as we go over 17 minutes. I think this video was long enough. So before I go though, if you enjoy these videos and you want me to keep making them, the easiest way to communicate that to me is just clicking that like button and then subscribing to the channel. If you are interested in trading alongside me and other good solid traders, maybe you remember, what are you talking about, Clay? You keep talking about you got alerted to the chat room. Well, you can join the chat room. Just go to claytrader.com, inner circle. The cost of that is $99, not per month, per year. And as I always say, over the time span of 12 months, I am more than confident you'll get at least $99 worth of value. So you can check that out again at claytrader.com. And then finally, if you're interested in learning how to trade with charts, how to use charts to build strategies for yourself, then once again, claytrader.com. I offer many online video training courses there, so you can go and check that stuff out. As always, thank you very much for those of you who view and leave feedback and hit that like button, and I'll see you back next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.